Welcome to the session students, myself Soumya Naik. Today we will learn about three phases of database system. The learning objective of the session includes three-tier architecture of DBMS and types of schemas. The DBMS three-tier architecture divides the complete database system into three interrelated but independent modules. As shown below, it is a database. The DBMS database three-tier architecture is look like this. It one is internal level, conceptual level, and view level or the external level. The external level or the view level is the topmost level in this architecture. First we will see the external level. External level is also called as the view level. It is the top level of the three-level DBMS architecture. The reason this level is called as view because several users can use the desired data from this level, which is internally fetched from the database. See, external level is also called as the view level. It is the topmost level. See here, different views are created for varieties of users. See, view 1 for user 1, view 3 for user 3, and view 1 for user n. Here different views are created for different users. What it does, external level simplifies the user interaction with the system. That means, for example, some user want to see only a part of the data, only a part of the database. He does not want, he is not interested in other part. Then external level is allow him to see only their part of the database using the view level. So therefore different types of view, there are therefore different views are created for variety of users. The view level is used to cater the need of the different types of users. Some users needs only their, using the view level, the user gets only the desired data from the database. It simplifies the user interaction with the system. For example, if in a university database, faculty is want to see only the course details of the students, he want to see only these details, and students want to see only the details related to hostels and academics. He want to see only their details regarding hostels and academic details. So several views are created for several users. So it means the main focus is on data abstraction. Data abstraction means you are providing only the details to the user, hiding the background details. Okay. The external level means external level cater the need of the varieties of user. They will provide the user to the desired data from the database. The main focus of the external level is data abstraction. Next one is conceptual level. Conceptual level is also called as the logical level. Here, it describes what data are stored in the database and what relationship exists among those database. Conceptual level describes what kind of data to be stored in the database and what relationship exists among those database. It includes the whole design of the database, such as relationship among the data and structure of the data, that is schema of the data, are described in this level, and data constraints and securities are also implemented in this level. This level is maintained by the DBA. DBA means database administrator. He is a person who has central control over the database. In this level, it describes what data are stored and what relationship exists among those data, and also deals with the constraints and the security measures. Next one is the physical level. Physical level is the lowest level. It is also called as internal level. It describes how data are actually stored in the database In the lowest level, the data is stored in the external hard drives in the form of bits, and a little high level. See, in this level, this one is the view level. View level is also called as external level. It is the topmost level. It is used to simplify the user interaction with the database. It provides only the desired data to variety of users, because several views are created for several users. It means it will cater the need of the different types of users, hiding the other details. The conceptual level is also called as a logical level. It describes what data are stored in the database and what relationship exists among those database. And also the schema, constraints, and it also deals with the security measures of the database. This level is handled by the database administrator. He is a person who has central control over the database. This level deals with what data are stored and what relationship exists among those data. The final last level is the lowest level, is the internal level, or is also called as the physical level. It describes how data are stored in the database. It describes how data are stored. It describes what data are stored and what relationship exists. It simplifies the view level simplifies the user interaction with the system. Next we will go about DBMS schema. The overall structure or the overall design or the description of the database is called as a schema. The schema is of three types: physical schema, logical schema, and view schema. The design of the database at physical level is called as physical schema. It pertains how data are stored in the block of storage. And design of the database at logical level is called as logical schema. This defines the logical constraint that need to be applied on the data stored. Constraints means the rules which are applied to the data which are going to be stored in the database. It defines tables, views, and integrity constraints. The design of the database at view level is called as a view schema. This generally describes end user interaction with the database. Thank you.